Right, so now for the invasive carps. There are 4 species of invasive carps. There's the bighead carp, the silver carp, the black carp, and the grass carp. They were first introduced in the 1960s, coming from Asia when they escaped from agricultural sites. Of these 4 invasive carps, so far in Quebec, there's only the grass carp, and it was first identified in 2017. They live in lake herbariums, rivers, and ponds, and they can be quite big, from 50 to 59 centimeters, and they can also weigh up to 50 kilograms. Their back is olive brown, and their belly is white, and they can also sometimes be flanked with reflections. As for their mouth, there's no barbel, and their dorsal fin is common, shorter compared to the common carp, which is the native one. They also have a short head. Their eyes are at the mouth level, and they have a large caudal peduncle and large scales as well. They have a very rapid growth and very perennial appetite. They decrease the food supply for the native fish, and they kind of work in a group. So once present, it facilitates the establishment of the other 3 carp species. So far, there's a program in Quebec called the Quebec Invasive Carp Control Program, in order to limit the spread. And if you think that you have identified a carp, just take a picture and contact the MFFP as soon as possible. To also never buy or stock or keep the invasive carps whenever you have one. And they also have a very high tolerance for temperature and low oxygen levels.
For the moment, there is no records of the presence of carps in Ottawa River over the Fortune Dam, and no mentions in the main tributaries of the river, also in Outaouais. But DNA analysis made at the bottom of dam, Fortune Dam, indicates the presence of the carp. So it is really close to jump the barrier
Right.
to invade the river. It is still a possibility.
Yeah.
It's really interesting the ecology of that carp. They always works. The 4 species works together to invade a specific place. Uh, the first 2 species, black and grass carp, uh, invades first a river, by example, and prepare the field to welcome the other species, the silver carp and the big heap carp, and they prepare the ground to eliminate predators, eliminate bad plants, by example, eliminate the other species also, and then when the area is well cleaned, the 2 other species can come after, uh, and the big the big head carp is it's really I know really popular in the folklore because they jump over the water when a boat passed over the river, and there's a lot of films about the carp, the panic, literally the panic when the boat pass over the head of the fish, and they can jump many feet over the water, and it's very spectacular to see that. But the problem is they eliminate all the other species of fish.
Do you know
And
where the picture was taken? The one with them jumping out of the water with a lot of carp.
yeah, It's fun to see, but it's a real problem. In the States, all the Mississippi River watershed is contaminated by Asiatic carp, and some tributaries are completely empty of other species, and they try with some in some place in the Arkansas River, they try to control it with army with specific explosives to eliminate the cars, but it doesn't. Ça fonctionne pas.
It doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
No, I understand they also use electric barriers, like having strong
Yeah.
voltage applied and to kill them or shock them back. Yeah, that doesn't really work either, apparently.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But the species present in the Richelieu River, St. Lawrence River, up to Valleyfield area, Lake des Deux Montagnes. It, it, it was some individuals was captured in that places.
Uh-huh.